Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to link Google AdSense with YouTube. So first of all you need to do, just go to youtube.com, make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you are, click on your icon at the top right and make sure to click on YouTube Studio. Once you do so, you should find yourself here. And basically, on this left panel, you can go and click on Earn, or you may find a monetization. So as you can see, in order, first of all, to start earning, because you cannot earn in YouTube without Google AdSense or Google Ads, so you'll need to meet some criteria first. You'll need to reach 1,000 subscribers, or it seems here like it's been reduced. So it's just only 500 subscribers. And also, you will need 3 videos uploaded in the last 90 days. Once you meet these 2 criteria, you'll need one of those. You'll need either 3,000 hours watched on your channel in the last year or last 365 days, or you will need 3 million views in shorts. Of course, but this will be only in the last 3 months or last 90 days, not the last year. So once you finish these criteria, you can enable this option to get notified as an example when you meet it. Then you can go here and click on apply now. Once you click on apply now, basically, as you can see here at the top, they will check if your channel follows the YouTube monetization policies. And if everything looks good, you are in. You will be able to start earning money from your YouTube channel. Of course, once you meet this criteria, you will go through 3 steps to monetize your channel. You'll go through the review partner program terms, which will happen automatically, and gets reviewed by YouTube, which should happen automatically. The last option will be just setting up your Google AdSense. So make sure that you already have a Google AdSense, as an example, account available and ready. So make sure to have this beforehand and make sure it's approved. If you have any problems, make sure to resolve them fast. And once you're done, you can connect it very easily. So right here, you'll find a button which will redirect you to Google AdSense. Of course, if you don't have an account, they will ask you to create an account right there, but it's better to create it first so you don't wait for this before. So a button will be shown here, just click on it and you'll be redirected to Google AdSense. Click on connect to confirm the linking and you'll have to wait for approval. This will take a few days and you will just have to wait. So once approved, the ads will run on your videos automatically and the earnings should start appearing in AdSense, also in the YouTube earn option here. So one thing before I end this video, keep in mind that a lot of problems may close your Google AdSense account, which is maybe some wrong country or address, or using multiple AdSense accounts, or not meeting the YPP requirements. So one of these options may close your AdSense account. So keep that in mind and be careful. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.